What if I told you that 90 days from now you could be making more money than your current job, working half the hours, from anywhere in the world? That is exactly what happened to me. 3 months ago I was stuck in a 9-to-5 making $4,000 a month. Today I am making over $5,000 a month using nothing but AI tools and a laptop. And I did not write a single line of code. I did not spend $1 on ads. I did not have any special skills when I started. In the next 7 minutes I am going to walk you through the exact 90-day blueprint, week by week, that took me from employee to full-time AI entrepreneur. Save this video because you are going to want to come back to it. The first 30 days are about one thing: picking your service and landing your first client. Do not overthink this. I spent 2 days learning how to use ChatGPT and Claude properly. Not the basic stuff everyone knows. I learned advanced prompting, chain of thought reasoning, and how to get outputs that actually sound human and professional. Then I picked one service. AI-powered content writing for small businesses. Why content writing? Because every single business needs content. Blog posts, social media, newsletters, website copy. And most small businesses cannot afford a full-time writer. By day 7 I had a simple portfolio. I used AI to write 5 sample blog posts in different industries: health, real estate, finance, e-commerce, and local services. Each one took me about 30 minutes. A human writer would have spent 4 hours on each. By day 14 I started cold outreach. I messaged 50 small business owners on LinkedIn every day. My pitch was simple: I will write you one free blog post. If you love it, we talk about a monthly package. By day 22 I had my first paying client. A local dentist who needed 4 blog posts per month. I charged $500. Not life-changing money but proof that the model works. Month 2 is where things get exciting. Now that you have one client and a proven process, you scale. I did 3 things in month 2 that changed everything. First, I raised my prices. That dentist was paying $500 for 4 posts. My second client, a real estate agency, I charged $800. Same amount of work. By my fourth client I was charging $1,200. Why could I charge more? Because I was not just delivering blog posts anymore. I was delivering a content strategy. I used AI to analyze their competitors, find trending topics in their industry, and create a content calendar. That takes an extra 30 minutes but justifies doubling the price. Second, I added a new service. Social media content packages. 15 LinkedIn posts plus 10 Instagram captions per month for $800. With AI this takes me about 3 hours total. Third, I systemized everything. I created templates for client onboarding, content briefs, and delivery. I used Notion for project management and Zapier to automate follow-ups. By day 60 I had 5 clients and was making $3,200 per month. I was working about 25 hours per week. Month 3 is about working smarter, not harder. At $3,000 per month with 5 clients I was comfortable, but I wanted to hit $5,000 without working more hours. Here is exactly how I did it. I launched a group coaching program. Remember, by this point I had real results. Real clients. Real income. That is credibility. I created a 4-week program teaching other people how to start their own AI content business. I charged $297 per person. I promoted it on LinkedIn and Twitter using AI to create all the marketing content. First cohort had 12 people. That is $3,500 from one launch. I also started offering website copy packages as a one-time service. 5 pages of AI-optimized website copy for $1,500. This takes me about 6 hours of work. 2 of these per month adds $3,000. So here is where I landed on day 90. Recurring. Client revenue $3,200. One website copy project $1,500. Coaching income on average $1,500 per month. Total over $6,000 working about 30 hours per week. More than my old salary at half the hours. Before you start I need to warn you about the 5 mistakes I made so you can avoid them. Mistake 1, I underpriced my first 3 months because I felt like an imposter. Do not do this. If you deliver results, charge what results are worth. Mistake 2, I tried to do everything myself. Editing, invoicing, client calls, content creation. By week 6 I was burning out. Hire a virtual assistant for $200 per month. It saved my business. Mistake 3, I did not niche down fast enough. I was writing for dentists, restaurants, tech companies, and lawyers. Pick 2 industries. Max specialization means better content, faster delivery, and higher prices. Mistake 4, I ignored my own content. I was so busy writing for clients that I never posted on my own social media. The week I started posting daily on LinkedIn, I got 3 inbound leads without any cold outreach. Mistake 5, I almost gave up on day 19. I had sent hundreds of messages with 0 responses. Then 3 clients came in the same week. The results are never linear. Keep going. Here is exactly what you do this week to get started. Day 1, spend 2 hours learning advanced ChatGPT prompting. Go to YouTube and search for advanced ChatGPT prompting for business. Watch the top 3 videos. Day 2, pick your service. Content writing, social media management, or email marketing. Pick one. Day 3, use AI to create 5 portfolio samples in your chosen niche. Day 4, set up a simple LinkedIn profile showcasing your AI content service. Day 5, start messaging 10 potential clients per day. Use this exact script. Hi, I noticed your company blog has not been updated recently. I help businesses like yours create consistent content using AI-powered workflows. Can I send you a free sample post? That is it. 5 days, $0 invested, and you are in business. If this blueprint helped you, smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need to see it. And subscribe to AI Side Income because every week I drop real strategies that real people are using to make real money with AI. Not theory. Not hype.